Summer starts here down at Funland Hayling, who open a week earlier than everyone else to kind of get preparation, to be fair to you. And it's great because this is when I like to come down and get on some rides. So welcome down to Funland. The summer kicks off here. We're going to take you on some rides, including the brand new Miami, or the returning Miami, which has had a major over facelift for this year, and it looks incredible. So we're going to go on that for the very first time since the facelift. Take you on the coasters, and then maybe finish on a log flume. Here it is, and it will be our starting point, the Miami. The Extreme Miami is back for the rest of this year, and it looks fantastic since its overhaul as well. Now featuring over the shoulder restraints rather than the lap bar, making it more comfortable. Can't wait. Right, so here it is. The Extreme Miami is back at Funland, providing some cracking views over the park. In fact, first time we got to see Aztec Falls from up this side as well. And I have to say, it's really smooth and still really quick as well. Plenty of room here. You can see the movement. Still plenty of movement as you go over. The air time's actually quite insane. And there's lots of clicks as well. So, you know, you can be a bit brave. I can be a bit brave. Have slightly more air time. I love the views from up here, and it is really quiet here at the park as well. Well, I've just got to make sure. I've come straight from work, so I don't want to lose my shoes, really. It's the ultimate goal today. Don't lose the shoes. Don't know whether I'll be able to treat them if I do. But it's great to get back on this. It's fantastic to see it open as well. Yeah, loving it, absolutely loving it. But you can really get some airtime on this. It's quite something actually. Oh, I absolutely love it. Airtime is insane. Now it can go faster as well. We're told it can go faster. Whether or not it will be, whether or not it's needed for a family park, I don't necessarily think it is. But if it goes quicker, I should be coming back to ride it. I can tell you that now. But look at this airtime. Look at it. Completely out your seat. Oh, love it, love it. Absolutely love it. Woo! And it's a gorgeous day today, although there are clouds in the sky. I would just say it's about 24 degrees. I think last year when I come down as well, it was really hot leading into summer. We've had some really bad weather recently. It's just an excuse to go on the log flume. But yeah, Extreme back for 2023. That ride's really smooth, and it's still quick as well. To think that can go quicker is actually a little bit insane, but look at it. Now, for those that saw our last update on it, they've decided not to put the backsplash on, mainly because of the wind. It was a bit of a problem when they had it up last time, and now it's much more easily detached. So rather than just folding over, it was easy to take off. So yeah, they've decided that no need for it this time round. Right, I've got the whole coaster to myself. How nicely engaged was that? Whole coaster to myself. Now then, the Flume of Doom, oh my god, Jungle Splash is open. I will be going on the Jungle Splash, finish this off as well. I haven't been on it since the plane's been installed, but yeah, look at it up here. And it seems quite windy and it seems quite dark. But I can assure you it's really warm today, like really warm, even if all you can hear is wind. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Love the Extreme, that is running so well. That's good to see it back, good to see it back. I think I've dropped something. I think I've dropped some tokens. This could be dangerous. Woo! Whee! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! That's what we like. Right, I don't know what I've dropped, but I've definitely dropped something. Oh, there we go! Woo! And great little coaster this is. Great. Now I've got to try and find what I've dropped. I felt it come out of my pocket, so I've dropped something, but love it. Lovely little coaster for a Wednesday afternoon. Now, of course, whilst we are enjoying ourselves here today at Funland, we'd be remiss not to give you an update of what's going on. So we've got some pre-summer maintenance going on the balloons to make sure they're ready. Big weekend starts this weekend when really half-term kicks in. This is like a preparation week. I think it's great they do it, to be honest. Not only so I can come down when it's quiet, but you know, it really does iron out little kinks and little bugs and highlights any final things before the park gets really, really busy. Now then, for those that didn't see on our socials, Halloween is going to be ramped up here. It is going to be ramped up, and we've been told some things which obviously we're not going to share because they've not come to fruition yet. But we know what they're planning. We know what they're planning, and one of the new ones is Theatre of Screams, which will be going here. This area is going to be completely sort of redone. They're putting a lot of money and development into the building that was the asylum. And I love that, to be fair. I thought it was really dark, really nice in there. Squidgy floor, always worked well. But we're going to have a Theatre of Screams. The maze over the other side will be back, potentially extended with a route change as well, so can't wait for that. And of course there will be some changes down in Destination Z, my favourite. Hopefully they invite me back to scare in there this year, because it's now my yearly tradition. So guys, if you're watching, right, let's go on the spinner. It's a Spinosaurus time. We've got second and front row here. I haven't ridden this in, it feels like I haven't ridden this in ages, but it hasn't been that long in fairness. But there's no one behind me, so I should get a little bit of a spin round this. Fantastic little coaster this, I absolutely love it, really do. And you really feel it as well when it sort of shoves you right into this corner. Oh my god, whoa, there we go. I can probably do it with the boys for a little bit of balance here for the spinning purposes, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. Whoa. Now, since Kurt actually weighs more than me now, so stick him in the back. He's got big, isn't he? He's got big. He won't watch this through. He won't know what I say about him. We're going to be thrown again. Oh! Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Woo! Brilliant little ride, this. And if you catch it just right, you get loads of spinning as well. Fantastic spinning coaster there. And of course, we can't come to Funland without going on the cyclone. I like it. I can pick their own music. The atmosphere is always cracking on this cyclone. And today is absolutely no different, but there are only a couple of us on here. Well, this is a great little twister, this is. Oh. Straight into it, no messing about, absolutely no messing about. Oh, it's a glorious day. I know I keep saying it, but it's a glorious day here at Funland. I tell you, I've been ill the last week. Work has been mayhem. This is just an absolute getaway, a local getaway for me. And you know I love it down here. The guys here are fantastic, the park's fantastic. And we will be checking out the other South Coast parks, obviously, over the summer period. It's great to see the Miami, the Extreme in the background, look. Oh, love it, absolutely love it. Look. It's got its own little program cycle going on it. It's still manual, but they've got it down to an absolute T. Oh, this is riding really well. If I hadn't lost my voice on last week, I'd break out in a song, but I don't think any of you want to hear that anyway, to be honest with you. Let us know in the comments your summer plans. Are you planning to come down to Funland? We know a lot of people in our comments actually do come down here and are big fans of the park. If you haven't been down here yet and you're coming down south, are you considering it? You really should. It's an absolute value day out. There's so much to do here as well. There's a good ride on the cyclone. Might be log flume time. Right. Now. It's jungle splash time. I think the refeed on this is brilliant. I really do enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. There's still quite a lot of water. I don't think it's been used an awful lot today, to be fair, which kind of makes sense because it is quiet. And although it is warm, this water will disappear out the back when we go up the lift hill. So yeah, I don't know why I'm on here because I'm just going to get soaked, but I haven't actually experienced it with all the new scenery yet. So you know, you're experiencing it for the first time. Someone said about adding a tunnel. It does have a tunnel, look, right here. Right here, it's been nicely painted as well, lovely and green. Oh god, just know how wet I'm gonna get. Oh, I'll do it to myself. I'll really do it to myself. But I love it. It's so relaxing. I know some people say it's a bit slow, and it can be slow in places, but it's so relaxing to just drift around and have a look at some of the new scenery. And bloody music, for Christ's sake, there's music! Ambient audio. I'll tell you what, I didn't even notice that last time. Alright, anyone who watched the POV, what's that there? I don't remember it. I don't even remember it. How bad's that? Oh, I'm going to get soaked. Now then, if you enjoyed the video, please drop it a like. I might as well do this now, the plea for action. It really helps us when you drop it a like. Share it if you'd like to, would be amazing. Leave a comment would be even better. But yeah, give it a like. It's free. Most people don't look at their like videos from their history anyway, so it doesn't really affect, but it helps me massively, absolutely massively. And of course, there's the plane. We got a close look of that last time we were here. I think that's brilliant. They've bought an actual plane. You know, it's not a model, it's an actual plane they've bought in. And I don't think the audio was on last time I was here either, which is good. Oh my god, we're going up already. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Right. Oh, wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'll tell you what though, I do stand by the fact that it's a really warm day here in Hayling. I'll tell you, these boats, this padding is incredible. Absolutely incredible padding. Right. Oh, I've done some stupid things today. Oh look, get to see the Miami going around as well. Done some stupid things today. This is going to be right up there with wet feet. Here we go, here we go. Whoa! Oh, the smell of chlorine. Absolutely soaked. Oh, I'm drenched. Oh my god. What a great ride though. I'll tell you what, that is actually really refreshing. It's refreshing now until I get up, but Jungle Splash, open for the summer. It's a warm day, I'll tell you, you can't get any better. Now I do feel a little bit wetter now I'm off, but the sun is shining. It is glorious. Glorious, as we said, it's really, really warm. So although I'm damp, we'll call it damp, yeah, feel great, feel great. Jungle Splash there. So coasters done, both coasters done, Jungle Splash done, Miami done, Twister done. And we're going to go back on to Miami to finish it off. I really hope you've enjoyed this. We've had a wonderful afternoon down here at Funland, absolutely wonderful afternoon. And we're going to finish it off on the Miami. And we're back. Now the breeze will undoubtedly dry me off, which is quite nice. Quite looking forward to that. Actually, it's getting a bit busier. We are approaching sort of school time now. I've literally finished an early day at work, headed down here while it's quiet, but schools are kicking out shortly and they might get busier for the last couple of hours. definitely more people in when I got here. My God, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, no messing around this time, off we go. Funland open for the summer period. It's open every single day, weather pending. It is worth checking Facebook if you're making a special journey down here if the weather looks bad. If the weather looks really, really bad, obviously there's no point in opening. Much like the big theme parks, it makes no difference what ride you've got. They can't operate in certain conditions. Wind, very effective here on the south coast, but worth a visit. 1,000,000% get yourself down to Funland, and then as well, once you've experienced it, you'll know what to expect for Halloween. Add a few mazes on, and that's where you want to be this Halloween, because the value here is fantastic. Food, drink, plenty of restaurants, loads of games, arcade, there's a soft play at the back as well for the youngsters. Everything all on one site, £4 parking. Yeah, you can't ask for much more. They offer wristbands or they offer tokens. You might be able to see the token price from here, but if not, 12 tokens, £10, 24 is 15, 36 is 20. Wristbands vary. You can get daytime ones, you can get all day ones, you can get evening ones. Park is open till 8 o'clock during the summer. It won't be tonight, obviously, no point, but during the summer it's open till 8 o'clock. And of course, Destination Z does open selected nights as well. Ah, yeah, love it, but some good views from up here as we wrap out our day here, our afternoon here at Funland. Oh, to be honest, it's a really struggle not to lose my shoes. I've got slip-on shoes. It's a real struggle not to lose them. I do look really weird as well in full shirt and shoes down at a theme park. Right, that wraps up my time here at Funland this afternoon. I've had a great time, absolute great time. I love this week. I come every single year for this week. Good preparation week for the park to get ready for summer, and the park looks ready to go. Miami back in situ, roller coasters riding well. Yeah, love it, absolutely love it. So, again, so hospitable to me down here. They're so nice to me down here, you know, I can't thank them enough. For doing that, and you know, I absolutely genuinely love it and recommend you come down here. But from UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam, thank you for joining me. I'm sorry my voice is a bit croaky. I've been really ill the last couple of weeks, but I had to get out on this week. We'll see you next time.